why I went away when I had the time to do it properly. Now I have lots of time. So I'm sitting on the sofa here with this letter and the radio on, and I'm going to try and explain. I was not a very good mother, Christopher. So say you want to be an astronaut? Well, I used to have dreams where you were an astronaut, and you were on the television, and I thought, that's my son. I wonder what it is you want to be now. Has it changed? Are you still doing maths? I hope you are. Please, Christopher, write to me sometime or ring me on the telephone. The number's at the top of the letter. Loves and kisses, your mother.
Christopher, what the fuck? Oh shit, you found the letters? Oh my god. I'm sorry, Christopher. I never meant for you to find that. I didn't mean to lie to you. Christopher, she left and she left the letters, but oh god, we gotta get you cleaned up. Oh god. Oh no, oh no. Christopher, I need to talk to you. I killed Wellington. I'm so sorry, Christopher. I was angry at Mrs. Shears. But I'm sorry, Christopher! Where are you? Christopher! 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 Oh,